how to make a field mandatory in Tracker RMS. Now there are two types of fields in Tracker RMS that you can make mandatory, a general database field or a custom field. So I'm going to go over both of those today. Go ahead and click on your name and head over to the Tools and Settings section. Now if you don't see your options here, you will need to talk to your management team about giving you access to these tools. To make a custom field mandatory, you'll head into the Custom Fields section and you'll find the field that you'd like to make mandatory. Now I was taking a look at a contact record and I want to know which place they're working at, and I'd like to make this particular field that I've already created mandatory. If I click into that custom field, you'll see an option right here that allows me to make it mandatory and hit OK. Now if I do make things mandatory, I always want to make sure that I save changes. Now if I go ahead and hit back to Tools, this is how I'll make a regular database field mandatory. I'll head over to the Customization section and you'll see an option that says Mandatory Fields. From here, you'll see that you can go ahead and select the record type. So I can jump back into a contact record, and here is where I can go ahead and say, well, I'd like the job title and maybe the email address to be mandatory. This particular page does not require a save, as you don't see a save button up here. So now, anytime you add a new contact record, you'll be able to see these changes made. And that's how you create a mandatory field in Tracker RMS.